LG Dishwasher Repair Services in Dallas and Fort Worth specialize in LG dishwasher repair that consists of LG front-load dishwasher repair and LG top-load dishwasher repair, along with all other LG dishwasher models. If you are having problems with your LG dishwasher, such as the dishwasher doesn't clean, the dishwasher won't drain, the dishwasher buttons don't work, the dishwasher won't latch, your dishwasher soap dispenser doesn't work, your dishwasher won't fill, the dishwasher's overflowing, possibly the dishwasher won't dry dishes. Whatever your problem, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.